To modify the Revovle tool itself, you can go Object, select the Revolve surface, go to Palette, and then double-click the Revovle tool. That then opens the Revolve control panel. And for example, I could switch it to Y, X, and Z. See, this all can be changed afterwards. Let's say I would like only to have a 180-degree revolve. So like this. So now I have half of that joystick. I could also, for example, click on those icons. Now, right now I'm modifying the sweep angle. But I find it a lot easier just simply to put in the amount of degrees I need. You also have a blue vertical line. That is actually your axis. So I could click on this blue line and drag it. And with this, as you can see, I actually, increase basically the size of this revolve. I could, for example, also click on like the lower end or the upper end. Now this intersects. Let's see how this looks like. So you can see that this is very flexible. Now let's say something like this happened and you would like to reset it so it's nice and clean. The reset button, well, doesn't do anything for you because it's only resetting the values inside here. So for example, we can make use of our grid. So if this first one clicked, I can press Alt and snap to there. I select their lower point, move it somewhere close to the world center axis, press Alt and then snap to the grid there. And then you see, because also my curve was created by using the grid, everything perfectly lines up. So let's exit the Revovle tool. And if you would like to change, for example, the shape of the Revovle tool, you can still do this. But instead of working with the Revolve surface, we go to pick CV. And then, for example, I can pick a CV. You can go to transform and move. And then if I move this point, the curve is being updated, and interactively also my Revolve surface. Alias has something that's called construction history. That basically means that the objects are in a relationship. So the surface is created by the curve, and if I change the curve, the surface is recreated. You can, for example, see this one inside the history view. There you see that this is the command for the Revolve. If I double click it, it for example also opens then the Revolve command. I could go in and change the sweep angle again. So you see there are multiple ways how you could modify the values of your modeling commands.